Imagine waking up one morning, and every job on Earth is done by robots. No offices, no workers, just machines. The streets are quiet, factories hum perfectly, and delivery drones fill the sky. Humanity just stopped working. Sounds peaceful or terrifying? What really happens when robots replace all humans at work? Let's find out. At first, life feels amazing. People have endless free time, while robots handle every task with flawless precision. Food production, transport, and construction run faster than ever. Poverty seems to vanish overnight. AI doctors perform surgeries with zero mistakes, and farmers are replaced by self-driving harvesters. Humans start exploring passions, art, travel, learning, finally free from boring jobs. Governments introduce universal robot income money, shared from robot labor profits to every citizen. For a while, it feels like utopia, the dream world we always imagined, but something strange begins to appear. Without jobs, people lose their daily routines. Many feel lost, useless, or depressed.
Are you lost?
Skills fade. Children
Can
grow
you
up
come inside?
never seeing adults work. They start wondering what purpose really
New
means.
deployments are moving
A small
according to
elite
schedule.
controls all the robots, owning nearly all wealth and data. Inequality explodes. The gap between rich and poor widens more than ever before. Some humans try to hack or control the AI systems, leading to digital chaos. Energy demand skyrockets as billions of robots operate non-stop, causing power shortages and pollution. Even nature starts to change. Cities glow 24/7, but no humans walk outside anymore. Art created by AI floods the internet, beautiful, perfect, but somehow soulless. People begin to realize that work was more than just survival. It gave meaning and connection. A movement begins. Bring back human purpose. People gather to rethink their role in a robot-run world. Instead of
Okay,
fighting
let's try the next
robots,
sample.
they start collaborating with them,
Proceeding as planned.
using AI to enhance creativity, not replace it. Education transforms students learn empathy, imagination, and ethics, not repetitive tasks. Artists merge with AI tools, creating music and films that blend human emotion with machine precision. Scientists use robot labor to rebuild ecosystems, clean oceans, and fight climate change. The new motto becomes, let robots work for survival, and humans work for meaning. Governments redefine success not by GDP, but by
And our
happiness,
latest happiness
knowledge,
index reflects that
and
progress
environmental
beautifully.
balance. For the first time, humanity finds balance between creation and automation. Robots didn't destroy us. They forced us to rediscover what makes us truly human. A child asks her mother, "What was work like?" The mother smiles softly. "It made us who we are." In museums, old human tools are displayed, reminders of effort, innovation, and progress. Cities become green again, powered by clean energy and maintained by silent robot teams. Humans explore space, art, and consciousness, the frontiers no machine can fully understand. AI and humans coexist, one for efficiency, the other for imagination. Every invention, every story, every dream now begins with one question: what can we create together? The world is peaceful, balanced, no longer divided by labor, but united by purpose. The camera zooms out. Millions of lights glow, human hearts and robotic eyes shining together.
As the sun
If
rises
robots
over our
replace
beautiful
all
world,
humans at work,
we are reminded
maybe
of the
it's not
endless
the end.
possibilities
It's
each
a
new
new
day
beginning.
brings.